Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is something you enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. As you can see from the thumbnail, guys, this is the day the engine bay gets a good clean. As you can see, just looking around, there's leaves in the scuttle panel. There's a lot of grime and dirt there, but nothing major. But before we jump into this video, I would like to say this is not a how-to. I'm not saying this is the right way or the wrong way. Everybody's got their own technique and method how to clean engine bays. This is the way I like to do it. This is the no fuss, no nonsense, great result engine bay clean. So here we go, guys. As you can see, I'm putting a few cloths, one on the fuse box that says no jet washing, and one on the ECU. I did go to put one on the alternator, but the alternator is hidden by the AC condenser. So here we go. As you can see, guys, I'm using Autosmart's famous G101. This is a fantastic, absolutely fantastic APC, all-purpose cleaner. I'm using this as a mixture of 10 to 1 with warm water, just for that extra bite. And as you can see, I'm not messing about. I'm getting it absolutely everywhere. Just for let it soak in for a little bit, just to do its job. So now I've actually finished spraying half a litre of G101 around this engine bay. Now you'll see I'm spraying a little bit into a detailing brush. These are great and a must have if you're going to detail any engine bay or detail any car really. These little brushes, they get into all the little nooks and crannies and hard to reach areas. As you can see, guys, we're going around all the front, all the airbox, all the battery, all on the scuttle panel, in all the hard to reach areas with this brush. As you can see, this is where most of the dirt and the grime is going to build up. Maybe even the odd leaf or twig that I did remove. But this is going to be a good result when cleaned. Obviously you can see the top of the struts are a little bit rusty. I'll be putting a bit of copper grease on them, and I bought two little caps to go on either side, so they should look a lot better. As you can see, I'm still agitating the dirt on all the grime and still spraying away like a madman. But it's just to get a good result, because obviously when you go and buy a car, you want the engine bay to look nice and clean, like it's been well looked after. So while we clean the engine bay, you'd be a fool not to clean the underside of the bonnet or hood if you're an American watcher. Just the same approach, a little bit of G101 and a detailing brush, just agitate all the dirt, let it sit, and then we'll rinse it off in a bit with the jet wash. And as you will see, it does come up very well. As you can see, we just let the G101 solution sit and just do its thing. I break down all the dirt and the grease and grime. So, what do we have here? No, this is not my toilet brush, before you ask. This is an EZ wheel cleaning brush. But as you will see, it is fantastic for getting into the nooks and crannies again, just as the small detailing brush, but this does it on a larger scale. After letting the G101 sit and do its thing, you can see how much dirt and grime is pulled away. Look at the colour of the foam. It's dark brown to black in some places. As you can see, guys, I've started under the bonnet, just jet washing, rinsing all the dirt off, as well as the foam mat that's just under the bonnet. And then the idea is, guys, not to force the water into any electrical plugs or any electrical connectors. You're really just pushing the dirt away. So try not to keep the jet wash in one place too long. Constantly move the jet wash about. Don't try and force water into things that shouldn't be there. As you can see, guys, this did need a little bit more attention than the others because he was caked in dirt. So I'm just spending a little bit longer than I'd like just to get in there and get that scuttle nice and clean. I know people always say, oh, I don't like a clean engine bay, it looks like you're hiding something. But for me, if you're going to rebuild a salvage car and you've gone to all the effort to putting it back on the road by cleaning the interior, having it resprayed, cleaning the exterior, why not go that little bit more and clean the engine bay just to make it really pop and stand out from the rest while selling it. As you can see, I'm just fanning the engine bay really with the water, just to push that dirt away. What I like to do here, guys, after jet washing is the cloths that I've used to hide certain components. I like to just wring them out and just get rid of the excess water, go around underneath the bonnet, all across the scuttle panel, the airbox, just to take away that little bit extra water. First impressions from a far away look, it does look a lot better. As you can see, the blue in the engine bay really pops. It's come back to life. The caps are nice and clean. The airbox is nice and clean. Just how an engine bay should look like, really, especially if you're selling a car. So what do we have here? Auto-Clean Vinyl and Rubber Care. Guys, this is a great product, especially if you're cleaning engine bays. As you can see, we've just cleaned the engine bay. Now apply to a wet engine and just leave. Yeah, like I said, guys, just leave it to dry, and the results are fantastic. This is my go-to, the easy and quick engine bay dressing, to be honest. So just spray on, leave on, and just forget about it. So here we go, guys. This is the end result. This is the finished article. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner than what we started with. All the scuttles nice and blue. As you can see, that blue in the engine bay really pops. All the caps are nice and clean. Engine bay is really nice. So as you can see, guys, fantastic result. Really nice looking engine bay now. Everything pops. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Or do you do anything different? Do you use a different dressing on your engine bay? So as you go, guys, this is a little video after washing. Start him up. No hesitation. Starts first time. Every time. So guys, I'd like to say a big massive thank you for watching. I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers this year, so please smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.